In 2008, Zina earned 14% more than in 2007, and in 2009, Zina earned 4% more than in 2008. If Zina earned 5 times as much in 2009 as in 2007, what is the value of y? Okay, here we have 3 consecutive years, 2007, 2008, 2009. Okay, the earning of 2008 is compared to 2007 according to the first information, and the earning of 2009 is compared to 2008 according to this information. If I know the earning of 2007, I'll be able to get the earning of 2008 using the first information, and I can get the earning of 2009 using the second information. And I do not know the earning of 2007. Since this problem is based on percentage, for an unknown quantity, we can assume the value 100. So for 2007, we can assume the earning as 100. Okay, now to get the earning for 2008, this value has to be increased by 14% because for 2008, the earning is 14% more than 2007. When I increase this 100 by 14%, I am getting 114. Okay, now let's consider this information. That is, in the year 2009, the earning is 4% more than 2008. Now, to get earning for 2009, this 114 has to be increased by 4%. Okay, let me do the calculation. That is 100 positive. Since we increase by 4%, we have to write 4 over here, percentage, times. Here we have to write the value that we are trying to increase by 4%. We are trying to increase this 114 by 4%, that we have to write over here. Okay, 100 positive 4 is 104, that is 104% times 114. When I get the decimal form of this one, I am getting 1.04 times 114. When I multiply 1.04 and 114, I am getting 118.56. Okay, here when I increase this value 114 by 4%, I am getting 118.56. So this is the earning for 2009. Okay, now let's consider the last piece of information. That is, Zina earned y times as much in 2009 as in 2007. That is, earning of 2009 is equal to y times as in 2007. That is, y times of earning in 2007. Let me write it. Earning in the year 2007. Already we know that the earning of 2009 is 118.56 equals to y times the earning of 2007. We have assumed 100. Let me write it. Okay, now to solve for y, we have to divide both sides by 100. Okay, let me do it. Then this 100 will cancel out. When I divide 118.56 by 100, I'm getting 1.1856. On the right side, we have y. Here I got the value of y, that is 1.1856. I find this value 1.1856 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.